basically just want to tuck this step in under here. 6 inches plus 3 inches. 6-inch block, 3-inch cap equals 9. Thin layer of glue, so like 9 1/60. So we want it basically 9 1/8. Right when we're at 10 1/8. So add an inch and a bit of gravel, compact that down. Add an inch of gravel, compact it down so we can add some stone dust. And we're good to go.
Alright, so we just picked up all our material for the job. We got 2 different kinds of crushed stone. We got our granular A, or our GA here. It's a bit larger stone, 3/4 mixed with some smaller fine dust. That's going to be used for our base to kind of build up all the layers. It'll compact down really nice and solid, and it makes a really stable, solid base. And then over here we got our stone dust. It's a 1/4 inch clear, like chip stone, mixed in with a bunch of fines as well. It'll compact down nicely as well, and then it's used for our bedding layer, which we can make really nice and level and smooth.
So I got this layer of gravel in. I'll check my height again. See, it's not too high. It might be too high. Okay, it's a little too high. But we're gonna tamp it down a bit, so that's a little fine. When you're grading, you can either put stuff underneath this side to make it higher. We could dig stuff down, but sometimes you want to kind of set your height where you know where your height is, and then work off that. So, say my height's good here, then I'm gonna raise this. Okay, so we're virtually done. It's not perfect, but these large particles are very hard to grade in a small area. So overall, it's level. I'm gonna grab that thing that David brought me called the hand tamper for compaction. So watering it allows it to compact. I don't pretend to understand the science, but I use the science. Is that like the 9 1/8 I was telling you about? Yeah, that's like tight. So it's about as tight as we can get it. That means I'm not gonna have to add too much stone dust. It's a little bit to level on, but I'm gonna make sure to get this down any bit farther I can because it is tight. Alright, I just put a little bit of stone dust in just to help smooth out the little rough pieces, rough patches, make sure it's like perfect. We want it to be, as they say, perfect, perfect, perfect.